Good morning, my dear student. Today I am here to present a talk about gametogenesis. The process by which gamete is formed is known as gametogenesis. Gametes are of two types. Male gamete is sperm and the female gamete is ova. Gametogenesis are of two types, that is oogenesis and spermatogenesis. The process by which ova is formed is known as oogenesis. Oogenesis occurs in female gonad ovary during the time of meiosis cell division. The process by which sperm is formed is known as spermatogenesis. Spermatogenesis occurs in male gonad testis during the time of meiosis cell division. In both cases, ova and sperm bears haploid number of chromosome, that is only N. Now, let us see oogenesis. Here we can see the picture of oogenesis. As we know that the process by which ova is formed is known as oogenesis. It is occur in ovary. It can be divided into three phases, that is multiplication, growth phase and maturation phase. Multiplication phase. In case of multiplication phase, the primordial germ cells of the germinal epithelium undergoes repeated mitotic division and ultimately form oogonia. The next stage is growth phase. The growth phase of oogenesis is much longer than growth phase of spermatogenesis. In this phase, the size of primary oocyte is increases. Next is maturation phase. In this phase, the primary oocyte undergoes two successive division. Hereafter the meiotic division of the nucleus. The cytoplasm of the oocytes divides unequally to form a single large size haploid eggs and three small haploid polar bodies or polocytes at the end. Now, I would like to discuss about spermatogenesis. Likewise, oogenesis. Spermatogenesis. As we know that the process by which sperm is formed is known as spermatogenesis. It is divided into three phases, that is multiplication phase, growth phase and maturation phase. That's all. Thank you. See you again with my next topic.